Aloha guys, this is Jonas from OrbTech Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to display your name on a web page using HTML or Hypertext Markup Language. As you can see here, I have a web browser opened. It's blank and there's no title, and right here too, in this part right here, there's no title. So I'm gonna teach you how to display your name in this part of the white page and display your title here and an identification on the topmost part of the browser. I'm gonna show you an example of my finished work. It's right here. My name is Jonas U. Orbiso, and as you can see, I have my title over here, OrbTech. That's the name of my company. And on the very top left corner of my web browser, I also have OrbTech. So it tells you easily which part of the web browser or which page of the web browser you're viewing. So to do that, we need to create an HTML file. We need to open a notepad or any text editor. I already have it installed, so I'm gonna open it, and I'm gonna show you the basic HTML format, or how an HTML file should look. Just to take note, HTML uses tags. Tags are simply identification IDs that tells the web browser how to interpret and display the contents of our HTML file on the web browser. So we'll get started. First, we have to type our HTML opening tag. This tells the web browser that any content inside this is an HTML or would be interpreted as HTML, because there are also other programming languages which interprets things differently. So we have to be specific. So this is the opening tag. Take note, closing tags has a backslash in front of the tag name. So if you forget to put in the closing tag, the web browser won't recognize any content inside or in between the two tags. So you should have a closing tag so that the web browser would display it. And for this, I'm gonna have the head tag. It's gonna show us it will cover the title and this part of the web browser right here. So put in head. I'm gonna type I'm gonna put the closing tag for head, and here I'll put the title. The title is where you can type in anything. You can put your name or anything that would tell the user which part or which web page they're in. So in this example, I have my company OrbTech right here, and that is my title. So I wrote it here, OrbTech, and that should do it. And for the name, where we put our name, we need to put it inside a body tag. This tells the web browser that anything here inside here is in the body. And then I'm gonna use the h1 tag. This just tells the browser to display the contents here in big bolded letters. So I'm gonna type, my name is Jonas U. Orbiso. So pretty much this is our basic HTML file, but the web browser cannot interpret it right now because we haven't saved it as an HTML file. To do that, we need to go to File, Save As, and then we put in a name, Jonas Orbiso, and then go down here and we'll look for HTML, so hypertext markup language. And as you can see, we already have it right here, Jonas name. Take note, if we put it in a different name, it won't display the thing, so we need to have it right here, Jonas name. So we save it, and then we'll go to that file right here, and when we open it, ta-da, we have the same thing, same file like we did, like the finished one, and we have our title here and a title here. So pretty much that's it for the basic HTML tutorials. Thank you for watching.